Hello and welcome. I'm going to be going over half notes and the I Like song in the Primer Level Faber Piano Adventures book, 2nd edition. If you want to support this channel, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I'm going to play through the song and then break it down. Well, let me explain half notes first. Nope, I'll do that after. Okay, here we go. The I Like song. Okay, let's talk about half notes. So you will have learned about quarter notes by this point. Quarter notes have one beat, and all of your beats should be even. Half notes will get 2 beats. So if this is my quarter note, 1, 1, 1, then I should count evenly to 2 for my half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2 quarter notes, 1, 1, 1, and now I can play both at the same time. I'll play quarter notes in my right hand and half notes in my left hand so you can hear them side by side. There should be twice as many quarter notes as there are half notes. And if I switch, this is a great exercise, by the way. Your hands in the I Like song start on the black notes, the groups of 3 black notes. We're using 2, 3, and 4 like we have been. Your right hand starts, and we start with quarter notes going up, 2, 3, 4, and now we have our first half note to play. So one way to deal with this is to count to 2. So if we're counting, you can either count your finger numbers like you have been to help you, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, or we can count the beats. So this is 1 beat, 1 beat, 1, 2, 1, 2. Down to your 2nd finger, up to your 3rd finger. Your 4th finger repeats, and then the last note's a half note, so you count to 2. 1, 2. So there's a lot of numbers going on. I recommend you just stick with the counting to 2 when you get to those half notes. So now let me play the left hand, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's a pattern that happens a lot in here, which is quarter note, half note. And if you can get used to that pattern, 1, 1, 1, 2, or 1, 1, 1, 2, no matter what the notes, just working on that pattern, that will really help you with the song. All right, good luck and have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.